Hello everyone. Today, a quick tutorial on how to use a curves adjustment using Affinity Photo for iPad. Let us start by adding an image from the stock panel. Once we have found an image, we can drag and drop it to the canvas. After positioning it, we can add a curves adjustment from the Adjustments panel. Let me brighten up the image by dragging the right top point. We can also adjust the individual color channels by selecting them. I will lower the brightness of the blue channel. One thing to keep in mind is that, if a curves layer is selected in the Layers panel, and you try to add another curves layer, this will not work. In order to add another curves layer, we need to select another layer. If we now apply the curves adjustment, a new curves adjustment will be added on top of the selected layer. I will drag the last added curves layer to the top and adjust the master channel to give the image a bit more contrast. Looks pretty amazing now. Thanks for watching.